So good evening everyone. Today our topic is the offline education versus online education. So I'm going to speak in favor of the online education, and my friend also going to speak in favor of offline education.
So good evening to everyone. My name is Kushal, and I'm going to support the offline education, and I'm in favor of offline education. So I would like to tell about the definition of offline education. What is offline education? Offline education, it's a one kind of process where a student needs to go in a college, in schools, and in a classroom where they get the practical knowledge about the offline education. And according to me, it's one of the best process to get the practical knowledge, because if you want to be if you want to grab your knowledge, if you want to be something in your life, so you need offline education. Apart from that, you can also have the online education, but I would recommend you that you should have the offline education, by which you can grab some extra knowledge and use.
Yeah, sure. I'm a little bit agree with you, but because this is the offline education is an ancient time of practice, but that time is going to changes, and you have to change with your time. And if you are not changing with your time, definitely you will get some bad things in your life. So online education, as we all know, that the people who were suffering from the COVID-19, and we was not allowed to go outside and read and take the offline classes. But the online classes are the cheap classes where you can get the education, the high quality education within less money. But if you will go offline education, definitely you have to pay more money, you have to spend your more time, and you have to pay go outside, and you definitely it will take your more time as compared to online.
I don't think that it is cheapest. If you are talking about the online education, you need a laptop, you need a mobile phone, you need internet. Without internet, I don't think it can run. You can check what's the value of internet, what's the cost of internet, how much it is expensive. So no one can afford, who are from the good backgrounds, they can afford. Apart from that, who are not capable to I can say adopt the internet services, so they cannot take the online education. But apart from the offline education, it's the best source to learn the practical things, to learn the new things. And if you go into the offline education, so you need good communication. You can grab communication skills, you can enhance your communication skills between the people. But if you go into online education, so you don't get to see this kind of environment. You are just alone with yourself.
I would not totally agree with you, my friend, because as you mentioned that the online education is very costly, you have to take Wi-Fi and all of this stuff, but it's not true. You can download the videos, and you just need a single phone, Android phone, and you can download every single video in your phone. And after, if you live in an area where so many Wi-Fi's are there, so you can go in somewhere and you can take the password and you can download any single video, and you can watch anytime and most of the time. So it's not so costly. But I will give you some point. If you are an educator, if you are a person who want to learn more thing, and you want to repeat yourself again and again, so I will suggest you can't repeat yourself in offline education, but you can download the video and you can watch videos 1,000 times, as much you want. So it's a good thing. You can refresh yourself within a minute, within a second. If you are going outside, then how you can take the classes? If you are going for a vacation, then you can access the online classes, but you can't access the offline classes. This is the demerit of the offline classes, I would like to suggest. And there is a second point, is that if you are as you mentioned the cost, you can only invest 5k or more than 6k, and you can take the online classes. So it's not so costly as you are thinking.
So I don't think that it's true, because if you go into market, if you go to get the job into market, so they would demand the practical knowledge. How much have you spent in offline classes, and what have you learned from the offline classes? Because if you are learning only in online classes, so you won't be able to enhance your personality, you won't be able to enhance your communication skills. Because in the market, the demanding is that you must have the communication skills, by which you can make some communication between the people. Because there are many companies, there are many organizations which are demanding for the good qualities of people, and that's why the students, what they do in online classes, they just open their phones, they just open their mobile phones, and they just I can say shut off their mic, and they go some other place. So what's the value of the online classes? I don't think that it is very imperative for student.
So I would like to again cut your point, because you mentioned that people are demanding the skills that what you have, but it's not like that. If you qualify your exam, then you have to work on a laptop, and you have to be very effective in the computer system, like online ways, and you have to must learn the Excel or all of these softwares. So if you are going in a corporate sector, then how you can represent your skills? You have to represent your skill on the laptop, and what you learn from there doesn't matter that you are learning from, you are coming from the offline education, you are coming through online. It doesn't matter. You just have to skills, and you have to show your skills in front of everyone. But if you are going outside, like in armies sectors, then you have to some in some sectors there are little bit, they need some physical strength and all. So I don't think it's a compulsory to show your skills like physical strength.
I don't think that as you said about the MS Excel, MS Office, so it's a part of learning. It's not a part of online education. It's a part of learning. Means if I have a skill of operating the MS Excel, MS Office, so it's a part of I can say learning, not education. Education means online classes. It in terms of I can say learning means if you have a mobile phone and if you are on online mode, so you can.
So thank you for watching our video. Now we are going to end our topic. So make sure like and subscribe our video, and if you enjoy, then you can share our video. Thank you so much.